Affiliate marketing tools and resources every marketer should use. Discover strategies that revolutionize affiliate marketing. Equip yourself with tools to increase efficiency and enhance profits. Maximize your campaigns with Volume. This advanced tracking tool provides real-time analytics, ensuring you maximize ROI. Connect with other marketers using Affiliate, a community forum that provides a platform for sharing tips, ideas, and experiences. Harness the power of SEMrush. Uncover your competitors' secrets, optimizing your own strategies for unparalleled success. Utilize Adplexity to spy on successful affiliate campaigns. Identify profitable strategies to adapt and implement in your own campaigns. Keep everything organized with Trello, a project management tool that helps you stay on top of all your affiliate marketing tasks. Get started on your affiliate marketing journey. Equip yourself with these tools and reach new heights.